UDC orders audit of Dunn's Falls. Citing concerns, the Board of the Urban Development Corporation has given the green light for an audit to be conducted into the operations of the Center and Development Company (SADCO), with specific focus on the world-famous Dunn's Falls.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Concerns by members of the board of the Center and Development Company about ticket revenue being generated at Dunn's Falls and Park has prompted an investigation by the Police Fraud Squad, Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Task Force (MOCA), and the Office of the Auditor General. SADCO oversees the day-to-day running of the country's most popular attraction, which welcomes hundreds of thousands of visitors annually. In a statement, the UDC said that based on preliminary internal reports, there is sufficient cause for concern. However, it did not give any details. Given the UDC's commitment to integrity, the organization has contracted international specialists to perform an examination of the governance and the control environment, as well as evaluate any potential weaknesses or risk areas. The UDC will act swiftly to consider and, as appropriate, address concerns raised upon conclusion of the examination, said the statement. According to the statement, UDC Chairman Ransford Braham and Chairman of SADCO, Joey Issa, are both of the view that the audits are necessary to ensure that the respective boards fulfill their responsibility for good governance, accountability, and transparency. The popular attraction is the largest income earner for the UDC and rakes in approximately 1.4 billion Jamaican dollars annually. It is believed that the current probe was sparked by the earth-shattering discovery of dramatic fall in earnings despite significant increases in local and overseas visitors to the facility.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.